How to make a beat on Soundation. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can make a beat on Soundation, and this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your Soundation account, just like I've done here. Okay, so once you're logged in and you're on your dashboard, this is how your dashboard looks like. So on this page, the next step would be for you to create a project. Okay, in order for you to create a sound to make a beat, or you can select a project that you've been working on earlier. So for me, I'll just select one of the projects that I worked on a few minutes ago. So by selecting the project will be loaded, wait for it to load. And then once that's loaded, by the top part of the screen, you can see some numbers which includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the end, and then you can see an option for it to drop or import sound. And the next step will be for you to scroll down to the last part of the page where you can see some icons, which includes build a track with loops and samples, record audio, generate a sample, play or record an instrument, make a beat. So click on make a beat. By clicking on make a beat, you will be taken to a page displaying beats. By the right side of the screen would be displayed. So just go ahead and drag and drop the beats that you would like to make. So by dragging and dropping the beat to be added, and then you can now go ahead to edit the beat by moving to the right side of the screen, the left side of the screen, the bottom left side, where you see the edit beat maker. So click on that, and then you can now go ahead to select the beat region and the likes, add loops, add whatever you want to add. You can go ahead to adjust the punch, the bites, the swing settings to customize your beats. You can also add effects by clicking on add effects, and by the top part of the screen, you can cut some part of the beats if you want to. You can add loops, like I said earlier. You can edit it to suit you. And then once you're done with that, you can now go ahead to add a MIDI loop and an instrument preset. Okay, so to add an instrument preset is also simple. You can see the option for you to play or record an instrument here. So by clicking on this, or by clicking on import audio or MIDI, by clicking on import audio or MIDI, it means that you are to import the instrument that you have recorded and added to your account already. So once you have this, you can easily um import the instrument in order to add it to the beat, and that's where your beat would be well made. And then once you're done, copy and paste sessions, delete clips to arrange your song, then add an audio channel and hit the record button to record your own sound. All right, you can see the option record audio to record your own sound here, and then you can see the master channel also here. So once you've done that, then you can now adjust the volume, pan, and effects of each channel to mix your song. Then share your song with others, or you can even invite them to join the project for collaboration. Then set the loop region, choose a file format to export your song. So you can edit your song the way you want. You can make it sound if you want it to sound. You can even add more channels if you want to. So this is how you can make a beat on Soundation. Thank you for watching and have a good day.